guys, this is a 2006 Outback. It's a 3.0 version, but the interior is leather. You know, nothing special. And then some of you guys, you know how your this guy stays open like this, and you do it, it never closes. This thing right here, this guy likes to pop out, so you can do this all day long, and you know it's not wanting to close. The remedy to this problem right here, which I've seen a lot, is this little lever right here. There's a pin that sits right in there. That pin either is broken or it just fell out. I don't know how it falls out, but you just pull it back gently back into the little spot right in here, and then it'll work again. You pop it out, it'll never lock, but you pop it back in and it locks. That's how you fix that problem. If you have that problem at home, you're welcome.